Hey guys, today you will take a quiz on the lithosphere unit. You may use your science notes and resources from our daily playlist to help you answer the questions. You have 2 submissions for this quiz. Please do your best on each submission. I will take an average of the 2 scores. Question 1, review question. Sound travels fastest through gases, solids, liquids, plasma. Question 2, review question. Waves that move back and forth parallel to the direction the wave travels are called transverse, seismic, longitudinal, ocean. Question 3, review question. What do light waves, sound waves, and seismic waves all have in common? They all transfer energy, not matter. They all transfer matter, not energy. They are all longitudinal waves. They are all transverse waves. Question 4. Which term matches the following description? Organic matter, made of decayed plants and animals, rich in nutrients, dark, brown, or black in color. Bedrock, parent rock, subsoil, humus. Question 5. Which soil is the best for growing things? Clay, silt, sand, loam. Question 6. Soil that is a perfect mixture of sand, silt, and clay is called loam, foam, drome, or rome. Question 7. Which of the following lists soil types from largest particle to smallest particle? Clay, sand, silt, clay, igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, metamorphic, igneous. Question 8, true or false? Soils with higher porosity are also more permeable. True, false. Question 9. What is the name of the original rock from which soil is formed? Parent rock, igneous rock, metamorphic rock, or sedimentary rock? Question 10. Conservation farming, no-till plowing, and contour plowing are all farming techniques that help grow the same crops in the same location year after year. Farmers get more yield from their crops, prevent soil erosion, or save time for farmers. Question 11. What is made up of weathered rock, minerals, humus, air, and water? The ocean, soil, the lithosphere, the inner core. Question 12. Weathering is when broken down rock is carried away by the wind, when we have hurricanes, thunderstorms, tornadoes, rain, hail, snow, etc., when rocks are broken down into smaller pieces through various means. Question 13. What is the name of the largest mountain chain in the world? It is on the ocean floor and new crust is formed here. Ring of Fire, Rift Valley, Mid-Ocean Ridge. Question 14. At which plate boundary do plates move toward one another? Convergent boundary, divergent boundary, transform boundary. Question 15. At which plate boundary do 2 plates slide past one another? Convergent boundary, divergent boundary, transform boundary. Question 16. At which plate boundary do 2 plates move away from one another? Convergent boundary, divergent boundary, transform boundary. Question 17. Where do a large number of earthquakes and volcanoes occur? In Winston-Salem, North Carolina, At the Ring of Fire? At the North Pole? Question 18. What evidence did Alfred Wegener have to support the idea that the continents used to be one big landmass? The continents fit together like a puzzle, similar fossils, and similar mountain ranges. He had a sonar map from millions of years ago that proves it. He didn't have any evidence. Question 19. Alfred Wegener proposed the idea that all of the continents used to be one big landmass. What was the name of the landmass? Pangaea, Gondwana, Laurasia. Question 20. What geological event is associated with seismic waves? Volcanic eruptions, hurricanes, earthquakes. Question 21. Which layer of the Earth is divided into plates? The crust, the mantle, the core. Question 22. Which layer of Earth is the hottest, most dense, and made of solid iron and nickel? Crust, inner core, mantle, outer core. Question 23. True or false? The crust is the thickest layer of Earth. True. False. It is the inner core. False. It is the mantle. False. It is the outer core. Question 24. If you were to compare the layers of Earth to an apple, which part of the apple would represent the crust? The seeds, because it is solid and the innermost layer. The apple peel, because it is the thinnest and outermost layer of the apple. Question 25, and the last question. Which type of heat transfer is responsible for plate movement? Radiation, conduction, malnutrition, or convection currents?